To get some additional practice with smart collections, let's create smart collections that filter our catalog for the following keywords: landscape, cars, vacation, and wedding. We'll create a smart collection for each one of these keywords. Since we want to create these smart collections inside our My Studio Smart Collections collection set, right-click on it and go to Create Smart Collection. That way, Lightroom will automatically place this smart collection in the desired collection set. So we'll call this first one Landscape, and it'll contain all our landscape shots. So we're going to leave the rule as keywords, set the filter as contains, and type in landscape. And click Create. So our landscape smart collection has 24 images. Now go ahead and create another one. Call this Cars. And just change the keyword from landscape to car. And click Create. So here's all our car images. The next one will be called Vacation. Type in vacation for the keyword rule and click Create. And the last smart collection we'll create is for wedding. So just type in wedding, contains wedding, and click Create. So you can see just how much easier this method is than creating standard collections and having to manually transfer them over. With smart collections, Lightroom does all the work for us.